When you want that daily moisturizer that just works while being very lightweight and refreshing, you are going to love BeautyStat's Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. Now, I've gotten this for myself a few times. I really love this in my morning routine, and I am thrilled that BeautyStat just gifted me another container of it, as I really do love this so much. It is definitely on the lighter side. It's a really lovely cream. Really quickly, it can almost look transparent. It's so lightweight. No obvious smell. Goes on so wonderfully and soothing, and it has a lot of powerful ingredients in it from one incredible brand. Now, what makes BeautyStat such an incredible brand is that they are made in the USA. They are focused on really high-end, clean beauty products that are fully clinically backed. So you can know that they've gone out of their way to make sure that this only has the powerful, potent ingredients you need and nothing else, and it's gone through clinical studies. It is packed with probiotics, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides to really hydrate your skin, making dull, dehydrated, dry skin be more radiant. And I love this in the morning routine, as it is just that really nice, lightweight moisturizer that I can put on after my serums, before my sunscreen, and I know it will go in really, really fast. As you can see, it has already absorbed into my skin, and my skin just feels so wonderful, so light, not tacky at all, still just slightly smooth on this hand as I had put more on it, so I can feel just almost a silky smoothness, but on this one, it is fully absorbed. Really, really nice moisturizer that I know you'll love.